You will make this cake every day. Easy and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees centigrade 10 minutes before you start baking. Now to a bowl add sugar, butter, I'm using unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and mix together until the sugar dissolves. Add milk and mix together until well combined. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. And now add the eggs. I'm adding the eggs one at a time. So add 1 egg, mix. In total, we are using 3 eggs. Once all the eggs are mixed, now we add the dry ingredients. I added the dry ingredients off camera, so add the flour and baking powder. Mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Once the batter is ready, pour into a well-greased baking pan. And then pour in melted chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. If you want more sweetness, use milk chocolate or white chocolate. And mix together just like so. Once ready, bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for around 45 to 50 minutes or until an inserted toothpick in the middle comes out dry. Once the cake is baked, remove from the heat and allow to cool down for around 10 minutes before you transfer onto a rack to completely cool. And at this point, your cake is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.